So you know how we transform our backyard every year from a swimming pool to a fire pit? Well, now we've transformed our yard from a dumb yard to a smart yard. I'm gonna show you how. First of all, thanks to the Home Depot for letting us showcase how Powered by Hubspace products and the Home Depot work together to transform our backyard into a smart backyard. So the first thing we did was we replaced the old string lights that we had, which were prone to breaking. They were only one color and you couldn't control them remotely, with these Hampton Bay smart lights. A few awesome features about these lights is they're powered by Hubspace, and that means you can use it with the Hubspace app, or it works with Alexa or Google Home. And if you want to get the party started, they also have a party mode. So that's one. Two, we would often forget to turn off our lights, and just being able to remotely set a timer or something like that is a game changer. I used two 24-foot strands above our fire pit, and we even added another 48-foot strand above our pergola. So you may have a door like this at home that requires a shade if you want any kind of privacy, but I'm going to be replacing this door with one that looks just like it, except I'll be able to control whether or not people can see in with the push of a button, either through an app or on the door. It's pretty cool. Check it out. So let me show you how that works. All I gotta do is pull up the app, and if I wanted to hit my back bedroom door, I can tap to clear. Now you can see inside and see our mess. But if I don't want people to see my mess, I can tap to blur. And now you can't see inside our bedroom. Pretty cool. And the best thing of all Hubspace powered products are very easy to add to the app. All you do is scan the QR code on the item, connect it to the app, and name it and set it for whatever area you want. And since our bedroom is also my wife's workout studio, I decided to add a fan so she could stay cool while she's working out. Now the cool thing about this fan is it's easy to install, just like any other ceiling fan, but you have full functionality control over the lighting, so different lighting styles and speeds of the fans. In our backyard space, this is all one area, so we walk from our bedroom to the kitchen. It's just one, it's utilized by everybody in our house. So we added a roller shade to our bedroom window. They're very easy to install. Comes with two brackets that can either be inside mounted or outside mounted. They're battery powered, so you only have to charge them every so often with the supplied USB-C cord, and then connect it to your app. From there, you can add multiple shades and multiple zones. So no matter how many rooms you have in your house, you can control them all through the app. One other thing that we did was we added another privacy door to our door in our kitchen. It looks like a traditional glass door, and we had one here for a long time. The problem is we have a dog that loves to look inside, especially when he's been told to stay outside for a little bit when we have company over. When he can see our company, he goes a little crazy. So it's really awesome to be able to not only through the app, tap to blur, tap to clear. Now you see me, now you don't. It's a pretty cool feature to have, not only if you want privacy at night, but if you just have some anxiety-ridden pets and you want them to keep a distance. And installation's a breeze. Just measure your door to make sure that it's fitting the dimensions. Ours came pre-hung. However, I didn't want to replace the trim to the exterior door. All I did was remove it from the pre-hung trim it came with and just installed it to the trim that we already have, and it fits perfectly. Pretty cool. And just so I have complete control of all my outdoor lighting, I added these smart switches that work with the Hubspace app that allow me to control both my floodlights and my porch lights. So this is what it's all about, being able to control our outdoor setting for whatever mood or whatever season. And when we're done, just use the app, we can turn everything off. Now we got full control over our entire backyard. No more dumb backyard. With that, I'm gonna call it a day and head on inside. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you later. Oh wait, looks like somebody's wanting a little attention. Sorry, Charlie. What are you doing, bud?